Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Calendly to Google Calendar. Let's get started. First, go to calendly.com and click on Login at the top right corner to log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard containing all your events or meetings. In here on the left panel, click on Integrations and Apps. Next, just scroll down and look for Google Calendar, or if you can't find it, just type it on the search bar right here. Once you've found Google Calendar, click on it to open. Then click on Connect right here in the next page. You will be redirected to this new tab, prompting you to log in your selected Google account. Next, just click on Continue right here. And then lastly, just click on Continue again. And that is how you can connect Calendly to Google Calendar. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.